Hello friends, this is Anita from the Miracle Hub. In this video, I wanted to share with you a very soothing pack which is effective in treating summer rashes. Turn on the subtitles for more information or to translate the video to your desired language. This pack is made up of two ingredients. One is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood is an anti-inflammatory and analgesic which may help reduce the pain, and sandalwood have soothing properties that help relieve the burning and pricking sensation of prickly heat. To prepare this pack, take a clean bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, but remember, do not use red sandalwood powder here. To prepare a paste, either add rose water or normal water as much as required. Rose water will act as an soothing agent and will help reduce the rashes, treat the summer rashes. Mix this well into a smooth paste. Now apply this paste daily on your rashes for about a week for 7 days maximum, and you will start noticing results from the second or third day, and that your rashes are reduced, the redness, itching, the burning sensation has reduced. I hope you really liked this video. If you're willing to support me and this channel, please share this video with your family and friends, and also to consider subscribing the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching the video. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay safe.